The new Evoque is the embodiment of Range Rover's modernist design approach, a bold evolution that retains the essence of Evoque's character. The unique, muscular profile is enhanced by the rising beltline and the falling roofline, creating an assertive and dynamic stance. Evoque's compelling proportions give it an even greater presence, combined with a sleek new headlight design featuring sweeping indicators, flush deployable door handles, and burnished copper details reflect the contemporary design language. The interior of the new Range Rover Evoque is a fusion of sophisticated elegance and clean, uncluttered surfaces. Cutting-edge technology combined with the finest materials and detailing create an environment that is refined and luxurious. The full-size panoramic roof bathes the interior in natural light. And in the rear, the space has been extended to provide extra comfort for rear passengers.